Hey everyone, Elizabeth here from the Kathy Banyu team, Keller Williams with your April market update. Let's get into it. Realtor.com just dropped their latest affordability and home building report cards, and let's just say that New Jersey didn't exactly ace it. We scored a C minus, but honestly, are we surprised? We're in the thick of the spring market, inventory is low, demand is high, and buyers are feeling that fatigue. Listen, it is what it is. We live in New Jersey, especially in the areas that are closer to New York. You've got it all right here. So we don't expect to get an A plus in this realm of affordability. One big thing to understand in this market is that a home's list price does not equal its market value. The market determines the value, and that just means whatever a buyer is willing to pay for a property is the true value of that home. It might feel like you're overpaying, but you're really not, because if your offer is comparable or in the realm and just winning out over other buyers, if it wasn't you, it would have been the next person. So, yes, homes are going over asking, but that doesn't mean that they're underpriced or agents are trying to get into a bidding war. It's just the nature of the market that we're in right now. We price homes based on comps. The comps are pulled from closed sales. Those closed sales are constantly hitting the records, right? If a house goes under contract at the first of the month, it's not going to close till the middle, the end of the month, and then that is able to be used as a comp. That's why there's always a bit of a data lag when it comes to comping out homes. So don't think this market is just bringing in overpriced homes, and it is what it is. This is the market we are in. With that, I get that there's a lot of uncertainty in the world right now. Buyers are putting a pause on their home search, but waiting it out just might cost you here in Bergen County. In some of the key towns, we've seen year over year home increases between 4% and 12%. And that's just over the past year. If you take it back more, back to 2020, we've been seeing that consistently across the board. Now we're hearing the R word. Are we bumping up against a recession? Let's be clear. A recession is not a home crash or a housing crash. In fact, in the last 4 of the 6 US recessions, home prices have actually gone up. The one in 1991, honestly, home prices dropped, but by a mere 2%. Nothing to really write home about. In 2008 was our major drop, and that was a completely different situation. Overbuilding, risky loans, fragile financial system, not what we're seeing now. So even if we were in a recession, we would still expect our home prices to be going up. And April was no different. Homes are still selling over asking price with multiple offers. Inventory is still low. Some of your bigger towns, Paramus, you're going to see more active listings. However, they're going quick and they're going for over ask. Bottom line is the market is moving and prices aren't showing signs of slowing down. If you're looking to buy, let's connect for a strategy session. We'll help you navigate it and we'll make sure you win. And if you're a homeowner, you might be sitting on more equity than you realize. And now might be a good time to get a home market analysis just so we could see where you are. We're never going to push you into selling your home. If you're happy where you are, we're happy where you are. However, we've had clients use this equity to do those big renovations that they've been thinking about for years, to buy an investment property. It's always great to know what you're sitting on. So let's chat. Give us a call, shoot us a DM, whatever it might be. We'd love to get in front of you and, want nothing but the best for you guys. So if you could just, reach out when you're ready, or if you need any information, we are always here. We'd love to help. Have a great day and speak to you soon.